sun gleaming through, heart beating like the rhythm. Tehillim in the booth, rising. When somebody sees the truth, when they receive the good news, like the smell of good food, lively. When I see my family eat, no more starving in the streets. These commandments on me shining. Let me praise him again.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Keisha Baby. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a hair butter that stops hair breakage and also promotes hair growth. Especially if you're suffering from balding, or like you start to see that your hair is thinning out and it's coming out in clumps. So the ingredients that I use is rice and I use cloves. The benefits of using rice water also help to tame frizzy hair, increases the volume, elasticity, and it also cures from damaged hair and also cures dandruff. I also use cloves in this because cloves is good it helps with the circulation in the blood, especially when applying to the scalp. It helps to stimulate the blood flow. It's rich in essential nutriments, and it also contains minerals and fibers, and it nourishes the hair follicles. Overall, the hair, it's really good for your hair. Yeah. So shea butter, I'll use shea butter in all my products. There's always a base for an oil. A butter. But with the butter base, you always got to make sure that you apply more. But here, I'm not really showing you guys about like the measurements and things like that, but I'm just showing you guys exactly how I make this butter. But next time I'll probably do like measurements for the people that need the measurements. But you're gonna need to use more butter than what I use, because you want it to be solidified. Yeah, so I use rosemary. Rosemary is also good. It helps with replenishing and conditioning your locks. It also stops you to have less breakage. It does help with that. And if the hair is weak, it also helps with the hair from the hair structure. It just strengthens the hair, restores the hair. It just makes the hair look much more better, and it appears more stronger, especially if you suffer with fragile hair. And that's with the women that has high porosity hair. I know your hair always breaks, so people with high porosity hair, this is also good to use. So anyways, I'm blending my oils and the rice and the cloves all together. I have my essential oils here that I used, and I use black castor, Jamaican black castor oil, very good. And I also used Aaliyah's Naturals Growth Hair Oil, which is done by me. Mwah. Mwah. Yes? Okay. So, as I was saying, I'll be selling this oil very soon, but it's in works. We want to make sure everything is distributed well. So anyways, I'm showing you the shea butter that not shea butter. This is the filters. I'm going to filter it, and I have my wash container that I'm going to use, which is 300 milliliters. And I'm going to put that in there, and I'm just going to use that distributed for everyone that's in the house. Also, coconut oil is also good to use in your hair as well if you're suffering with split ends, dandruff, breakage, and dry flaky hair. If you want to rebalance your hair, also use coconut oil in a hair mask. And I'm telling you guys, if you want your hair to grow lovely, luxurious, you want to bring back moisture back to the hair, please do a mask, and please check out my mask. Hopefully I can put the link and you guys can check out that video. I love peppermint. Peppermint is always in my products when I use for any type of skin or hair. I love the peppermint. It's like a rejuvenate. It just makes it kind of like stimulates the scalp as well, so it helps with the hair growth. So I'm just mixing my concussion, my concussion here that I have, my mixture, just trying to blend it in before I strain it out, because I want to make sure that I'm getting all of those goodness, all of that stuff mixed together. So here I go now with my filter. I'm going to filter it out and I'm going to pour it into my container. And what you need to do with this as well, you're going to leave this to sit. Then what was wrong was that as soon as when I finished pouring this in to the container, I put it straight in the fridge, and I shouldn't have done that. what I should have done was wait for it to sit room temperature, then place it in the fridge or the freezer or whatnot to solidify it. But if you do make this and it doesn't solidify the way how you want it to, then my suggestion the next time making the batch, use more of the butter. The butter is gonna, when it gets solid, it solidifies, it hardens. So you would need to put a bit more of the butter, shea butter or coconut butter, whatever butter base, because a lot of people even use mango butter, but I prefer shea butter because shea butter has much more benefits. Like I said, it improves health and shine, it repairs split ends and breakage, and also you can use it as a heat protectant for styling, and also it stops the sun from damaging the hair, and also like the pollution, the environment, the bad environment, it helps to protect the bad environment that's trying to attack your hair. And it can be used on all hair types, shea butter, if you use it in an oil base, not too much, just a little amount, because shea butter is very, very, very rich in moisture. But yeah, so as you can see here, I'm finished. I'm gonna let it set, but as I said, I just put it straight in the fridge, and I let it set, took it out, went to room temperature, it melted, and that's what you don't want. So here it is in the next clip. As it solidified, I've just taken it out. But the way how this applies to the hair, and it melted, it just melted. And my daughter's hair was very dry. Baby's hair is always dry, so this is really good for like baby's hair, and especially for promoting baby hair growth, where I think my daughter's going through that stage of losing the baby hair. But we just use this, keep using this every day, and hopefully you will regain back moisture. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe and check out the next video. Hopefully I can be doing more of these videos and voiceovers. Yes, more voiceovers. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.